Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best bike repair stand on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Wheel Up Bike Repair Stand. The Wheel Up Bike Repair Stand is a portable and adjustable bike repair stand. It is ideal for at-home bike maintenance and features a lightweight and durable aluminum construction. With a set of 4 adjustable locking pins, you can rest assured that your bike is stable and secure. The repair stand is easy to transport and can be used indoors or outdoors. The bike repair stand comes with a carrying case that can be used to store tools and other bike maintenance essentials. The packing box also has a convenient handle to simply move the repair stand from one place to another. Offering a simple and convenient way to secure your bicycle at home, the Wheel Up Bike Repair Stand is ideal for all types of bike maintenance. Adjustable bike repair stand parking racks fits 22 to 29-inch bike frame size. If you want to store your bike more securely and stylishly, you can simply fold the stand up and put it in a corner. It is easy to be installed and you can use it anytime you want. Number 4. CXC10 Bike Repair Stand. The CXC10 Bike Repair Stand is a professional bicycle repair stand that is designed for use in home. With the CXC10 portable bike repair stand, you can do almost every repair job quickly and easily. If a bike is your main mode of transportation, it is important to keep it in good working order. Many of us love biking for a variety of reasons, and it is important to keep our bikes in good repair. This bike workstand is ideal for home mechanics to have in their garage. The CXC10 bike repair stand will make your life easier. It is portable and affordable. This stand is suitable for road bikes, mountain bikes, hybrid bikes, and BMX bikes. You can adjust the height of the bike repair stand to fit your bike. It is made of strong steel, which is durable and sturdy. The bike repair stand is easy to fold and unfold. They are also portable and convenient for use. Number 3. Roces RS100 Bike Repair Stand. The Roces RS100 is a newly designed bike repair stand in a professional appearance, aluminum alloy body with a black satin finish, foldable design, easy to carry and store. It makes bicycle repair a breeze and eliminates the need to lean your bike against a wall and holds it steadily in place. The Roces RS100 has a clamp which is a quick release button. It can fold and expand for easy storage. It also features a secondary hole for mounting on the wall. It is versatile. The Roces RS100 bike repair stand can hold all types of bikes, from BMX to mountain bikes, from road to cruisers, from children to adult bikes. The Roces RS100 bike repair stand holds your bike steady and provides excellent service by allowing you to work from both sides. You can easily and conveniently adjust the height of the stand to hold a wide range of bikes. This lightweight bike repair stand can be folded for storage, and it even comes with a carry bag for convenient transportation. Number 2. ThinkRider Bike Repair Stand. ThinkRider Bike Repair Stand is a convenient and necessary bike repair stand that is designed to let you easily repair and maintain your bike conveniently. It can be used for mountain bikes, road bikes, and other kinds of bikes. The stand is made of high-quality aluminum alloy material, which is significantly lightweight. It is durable and sturdy. The bike repair stand is suitable for repairing and maintenance for different types of bicycle wheels and frames. Different sizes of bike upper tubes, seat tubes, and fork can be mounted on the bike stand. The total length of the stand is adjustable from 56.5 inches to 79 inches. You can choose the length based on your own height. The bike repair stand has a strong base, which is stable and can firmly hold your bike. It has a sturdy, aluminum alloy base and can hold up to 130 pounds of weight, which should be more than enough for most of your bikes and bicycles. The product also features a fast and easy folding mechanism, so you can store it quickly and easily. The stand is designed to hold the bicycle upright, which allows the user to focus on the repair job itself. It is designed to handle a wide range of bicycles and bike frames. Number 1. West Biking YP0719237 Bike Repair Stand. West Biking bicycle repair stands are an ideal choice for professionals, home workers, and serious cyclists who want to perform their own bike maintenance. This lightweight aluminum bike repair stand has a compact and portable design, which makes it perfect for home users and those who travel often. The bike stand is suitable for bikes with wheel size ranging from 20 to 29, and the maximum weight holding capacity is about 25 kilograms. It offers a stable, strong and an adjustable structure. The foldable structure enables convenient storage and carrying. The bike stand is adaptable to a variety of angles and is easy to adjust. It offers a wide and stable working platform. The bike stand is easy to assemble without the need for any fixings. The bike repair stand is easy to use and can be fitted to all types of bikes, from mountain bikes to road bikes, other types of bikes, and is suitable for both cyclists and bike mechanics. It is ideal for both home and professional use, and the bike stand can be used in bike repair shops as well as in homes. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.